Hello, and welcome to today's tutorial. This time I'm gonna be showing you how to get custom songs in Synth Riders. This one's dedicated to you, Bowl. First of all, you wanna go to the Synth Riders website, but with a Z instead of an S. Very important distinction. Then you wanna find the mods section and click on Noodle Manager. This will open a download thing. You just click Save File to get it into your downloads folder. And now it should show up right here. Now if you just use normal Windows and don't have any kind of archiving tools, that's fine. It's a regular zip file. Otherwise I'm using 7-zip and would normally click Extract Files. But for this case we could just press Extract All since it's a zip file. Easy. Now you might want to save this folder somewhere on your system if you plan to use this again in the future. For this video I'm just going to use it directly here since I already have a copy. Now you just open noodlemanager.exe and we trust this software. Now it might be a bit slow, feel a bit buggy. If you try to move the window, it's gonna be very laggy and it's gonna do it very slowly and continue even after you let go. To download all songs, you simply click Get All. It says no new songs for me, but you just press OK. It will take you to a page where you can see all of the songs are downloading. Might take a bit, so just leave it open. After this is done, simply boot into the game and you should have all songs. No more work needed. This has been the end of this video. For my next video, I'll show you how to get Twitch integration. See you next time.